I'm in the car and I look like I'm in uniform, and it's not because of anything, and I did not go to work. My husband thinks I went to work. He made me coffee and everything to go to work with. I feel so bad. But he is on his way to his aunt's house to stay away from this house. They're gonna go have a pool party. They're gonna go have barbecues and all that good stuff. Stay over there. I have him like doing a goose chase. And then from his aunt's house, he's gonna go to my mom's house to drop off our son. So we have the night off, and then he'll finally make it over here. I have 6 hours. 6 hours to build an entire haunted house inside of our house. 6 hours. I am so excited to be doing this. Like, we've been planning this for a little bit over a month. His friends are gonna come over. Just to keep it clear, it's very small party. It's a massive temple here. We're all excited. We're all excited. We're all healthy, and we all did the needed to stay to be able to so let's go inside. Let's start cleaning. My sister, her best friend, and my best friend are on their way to help me build this dream come true of a party. You know, Halloween Horror Nights might have been canceled, but I definitely am bringing it home. And you guys are going to be a part of it. This is a life-size Beetlejuice. A life-size Beetlejuice. So this is so awesome. It's a freaking life-size Beetlejuice. He's going in the front. I'm making a facade. I am so excited for this, guys. All right, on to the next project. All right, update time. We had a mild hiccup. The pins did not work, but it's okay. I'm hoping the tape will work. It's working in some areas, just not all, and I have to use a lot of it. So I tested my sister to get tape. Yeah, so they're on their way over here, and we're gonna try our best here. We're gonna do what we can to make this haunted house. Coming through the front door, we have the fireplace going. Then this is gonna be the first scene of the haunted house. We're gonna fix it up. We're gonna have the music playing, all that good stuff. Then we have Nicole over here.
Hello.
My helpers.
Camera shot.
We're doing, here we go. This is where the most of it is done on this side. And then he comes in through our bar. Then he goes through the streamers and lights. Comes out again through here. And comes out through the front door. By the time he gets here, it'll be nighttime, so be nice. And this is the outside right now. Check out his wall. So excited. And then we have his centerpieces. Let's say Kevin's Horror Nights, his menu for his party. Everything was handmade. We have his drinks, another table. Here we go, we have a haunted house update. So I'm gonna flip you guys over so you guys can see. Now I'm just waiting for him to get here so we can start going to the haunted house, and he's right down the corner. I'm so excited. All right, here we go, guys.
Weapon or something?
No. Come on.
Why are you being weird?
Hi, I'm Andy. Welcome to Halloween Horror Nights. I'll be your VIP tour guide today. Follow me. Let me lead you and you just follow me. Drink the shot, drink the shot. Drink it, drink it. Right this way. Drink your shot, drink your shot. Right this way. Right this way. Right this way.
I can't see.
Take your shot.
Without your shot. Here you go, buddy. That's for you. That's also for you. Alright, kill me.
All right, guys. Right this way. Happy birthday, honey. I was never at work today.
You were never at work today.
Look, you have Halloween Horror Nights. It's Halloween Horror Nights.
Crazy.
You like
Okay,
it?
you win. You win.
Okay. Come.
Something that's gonna pop out at me.
No, you gotta have your traditional IV bag Jello shot, just like in Halloween Horror Nights.
How do I do this? Through there?
You gotta unclamp it.
Chug it.
Chug it.
I'm trying. It's too quick. I can't chug it. It's too quick. I'll
It's
sip
okay.
on it.
It's okay. It's okay. We have syringes that you could take a shot of, though.
Anda pa'l carajo. Like I'm not gonna finish the party.
Here you go.
That one's good.
Thanks, honey. I made that one last night while you were playing video games.
You mean the rum cake?
The rum cake.
The
yeah.
rum cake? That was it?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kevin. Happy birthday to you. Woo! You blew out 30 candles.
COVID for everyone.
Hi, I'm Andy. Welcome to Halloween Horror Nights. Follow me. I will be your VIP tour guide or your RIP tour guide for this tour.
Hey, yo, Slim Jim! Am I here? Am I here?
Bye.